Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to Image Tech's live stream. So today we are going to show you our security solutions for ID documents. My name is Jack.
This is Valor.
Before we start, we give a brief introduction about Image Tech. Image Tech was founded in 2001. We have 24 years experience in development, design, and in the micro nano optical technologies. Mostly applied for government projects like a national ID card, driver license, and passports, and also commercial brand protections.
Yes. And today we are going to show you how can we make a black card to a security ID card.
So inside the Valor, there is a printing and lamination machine. We will show the application later. This is a full center machine for ID card personalization and program lamination. Okay, so for ID cards, we have different product forms. Actually, we have 4 types in total.
Yes,
we have patch laminates, seamless overlay, embedded laminate, and also cold-laminate. First, let's see a sample of patch laminates. Valor, please show this card.
This is our patch laminate. It is applied by the machine, just like we showed you in the video.
And this one is the seamless overlay.
This is a seamless overlay. You can see this kind of overlay is edge to edge. So it looks like a hole and it is more good looking.
It is a little bit similar as patch, but actually they are totally different.
Yes.
We can see the hologram pattern is 4 face on the card. Yes, edge to edge. So we call it seamless. Yes, we customize the hologram patterns and the security features.
It's
about 1 millimeter smaller than the card at each side. And we have another third type, we call it embedded laminate.
Yes. The hologram of the embedded overlay is in.
This is a film. There. It's used during the color production lamination process. And the hologram pattern is inside of the color body. So that's why we call it embedded. Compared with patch or overlay on the surface of the card. It's inside the color body. And then we have another type. We call it cold-laminate. Cold-laminate. It's a thin film. With adhesive on the back side.
Yes. You can stick it on the card by hand.
Yes, it's suitable for some remote areas, some border areas. More flexible. Applications.
It is similar like the patch, but for patch it is applied by the machine, and the glue is the hot melt glue.
Yes.
But for the cold laminate, it is stick by hand, not machine.
It can peel off easily. So for short-term application, for some VIP card, student ID card, and so on. But for national ID card, some important government documents, we need to use the patch type. It's laminated by the hot melt glue.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see the which one, man?
So we will going to show how can we apply the patch on this kind of card. Yes. And here we have the samples. You can see this is a patch.
Yes, the patch we can see is a 2-layer film. Yes. One layer, this is we call it carrier film, and this one is a pre-cut patch film. So this one will be laminated to the ID card.
Yes.
Yes. So we specialize the plastic core. Okay, let's
I will show how to use the machine to apply this kind of product. As we can see, this is a preprint card.
go.
And now
Yes.
we will print some personal information on the preprint card and do the lamination together. So at first, let's open the machine. And you can see there's no patch, okay? And we put this inside.
Okay, we are.
Just a kitty.
这什么名字啊
Kitty.
？Joy 是吧？
嗯
Hi Joey. Hi Joey. It's a joke, right? Yes, yes. And we are a serious company, and we do the demonstration with our generic design programs, not customer design. Okay? Yes.
And then we put the card inside.
Yes, this is the input hopper. Can load about 300 piece card, pre-printed cards. Yeah, like this. Pre-printed. Yeah. The portrait, the name will be done by the printing machine. Yes, and then do the lamination.
And now the machine is ready. And then how can we do the printing and the lamination? Then we need a computer. The printer has been connected to the computer, so we can see. Yes. And here is the mold to do the print. And for the blank card, the pre-print card just now, we need a picture. Yes, the picture of a person. So we can add this one. And then we can add the text, like the name, the sex. Yes, and I just put my name here. Valor.
But this part we can be quicker. Yes.
Yes, okay. So we can just do print. see. This is a name I just added just now.
Yeah, so why don't we introduce about this machine here? So for here, the input looper. This part is for the personal data printing. And this one is the flipper. Flipper, what is it used for? If you want to print or lamination your side, and this area it will flip the card. Yeah, for backside printing and lamination. And this unit is for the forward lamination. So after lamination, this is the finished card. Yeah, we can see the hologram patch laminated to the card surface. Yes. Valor, so how about the capacity of this machine? Yeah, for example, 1 hour. Yeah.
Yes, for an hour, this kind of machine can print about 120 hours.
Per hour?
Yeah.
Yeah. So printing plus lamination.
Yes, print and plus lamination.
Okay. Okay.
About 27 cents.
Okay, so this is after lamination, the finished card. Okay. Valor, so I have a question. If our customer use this machine,
Yes.
which details they need to pay attention to, or which problems may occur during the working process?
Okay, so for the lamination, you need to care about the location of the patch. Yes, for example, you can see that.
Okay, you can see how to install the film.
We install the film like this, and on my left hand is the supplier, and on my right hand it is a take-up. So you can see the patch. The location of the patch is in the center, right? But it is possible for it to get up or down. So we need to care about this, care about the location. So if it's going up, we need to let it down. Then you can see we can take this left or right, left or right. Yes, if we move it to left, the film will go up. If we move it to right, the film will go down.
So this is for adjust the
Yes,
position
okay.
of the film
The
on the
position
card.
of the card, yes.
Okay, okay. So, you know, with the patch on the card, we have two directions, this direction and this direction.
Yes.
So can the machine adjust the position?
Yes, it can also change the direction of the left and right.
Okay, okay. So by hand adjustment, it adjusts this direction, right?
Yes. For the right and the left direction, we need to adjust it on the machine.
Okay, okay. So when we introduced just now, we have two types. One is patch laminates,
Yes.
right? Another one is the overlay.
Yes.
Yes.
Seamless overlay.
So can the machine also laminate the overlay?
Sure. Like the IDP S81, it can laminate the patch and the seamless overlay. But for the S70, you can just apply the patch. So it is according to what you need to select different kind of machine.
Okay. So for the printing process, which problems or issues may often happen?
For the print process, I think
Yeah.
the problem is you need to be careful when you make a mold, print mold, because you need to
What do you mean by the mold?
mold. I mean, when you make a mold, you add the different elements of the card. That you can see in previous card there's name, date, and you need to add the element. You need to add the element, add the date, the name on the mold. Yes, that is personal information.
So you mean the setting on the laptop?
Yes, the setting
Okay.
on the laptop.
Okay.
On the computer.
Okay. So the portrait, the picture is very important, right?
Yes.
So during our printing, will there be any defective issues for the portrait, and how do we solve it? Yeah.
Yes. If the picture is too dark or too light, you can change the setup in the computer.
Okay. Okay, so well, I have another question about the ID card. So can it print any size ID card?
Any size of the card, mostly the size of the C are 80. It's all okay.
So if we have a big size or smaller size ID card, can it print?
We need to connect it to the machine. Yes, they have a different kind of type of machine to be suitable for different size cards.
Okay, and what about thickness of the card?
The thickness of card is the standard of the
Standard CID card, so
cards.
0.76 millimeter.
Yes.
Okay, what's the maximum thickness we can print or laminate?
Yes. I think about one
1 millimeter?
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter, okay. So let's see how to install the ribbons. Let's see the ribbon part. We have just see the program.
This is the printer. And here is the ribbon. And we also have different type of ribbon, depends on the customer's need. Yes, if you want to do the double print, or you want to do some influenced, yes, like some image you want to show in the UV light, we also have this kind of ribbon.
So it can print dual size, right?
Yes,
And multi-colors.
yes.
But I think usually for the printing process, the front side will be multi-color and the back side only have black color, right?
Yes, and if you just need the black color in the back side, there's also this kind of type of ribbon, and this kind of ribbon will be much cheaper than the double color.
Okay. And how about for one row ribbon, it can print how many cards?
It can print 1,000.
1,000 cards?
Yes.
1,000 or 500?
It stands on your double side.
Ah, okay. Okay. So single side 1,000 cards, double side 500 cards. Okay. What about the hologram? How many rows images per row?
Yes. For the patch, yes, there's about 1,000. Yes.
patch 500.
Patch 500 and seamless.
Yeah, for the overlay, seamless overlay.
Yes,
1000 because patch we have 2 layers. It's thicker.
Patch is more.
Yes. What about the colors of the lights? What does it mean? The yellow color, the blue color, you know, also I see the green color.
The blue color means the machine is ready. And for example, this yellow part means there is no card inside. And for the printer, the yellow card means the machine is open. You need to close it. For example, I close the machine.
So maybe
Yes,
no card in the
there's no card
in the
inside.
paper.
So,
Yes.
because the printer is set as a master, it is connected to all the machine. So if I put the card, yes, it will turn blue.
Okay, so now it's ready.
Yes, then it means all machines ready.
So what's next? Yeah, for iron card printing, and we also have other types of dimension. Okay, for example, let's see this one. Yeah, this we call it pouch. Yeah, the pouch. Okay. So pouch, we just need a simple lamination machine. Yeah, the product form is like this. Yeah, it's a 2-layer film. Yeah, like this, and we insert the part with printing inside, and then go to the lamination process. And I think this one is more flexible.
Yes.
Because we can make different size.
Yes, the size can be customized.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, like this. For example, this one is for the sports meetings. Yeah, we can see the inside. It's a printed paper like this. We insert into the pouch. Yes.
Maybe you can see that the pouch is not so much transparent. That is because the glue in the pouch hasn't been melted. So if it is applied by the machine, it will be transparent.
So on the front side, we can do some security hologram patterns. And on maybe sometimes on the back side, we can do some laser engraving patterns. Yeah, at this side. So, is there any types that we don't use the lamination machine but apply the hologram to the ID card?
We also have.
Yeah, so we have the embedded laminate type, right?
Yes, yes. This one. That is an embedded hologram pattern.
Film is like this. Yeah. The picture is like this. Yeah, so this one is not used like the lamination machine. The lamination machine is mostly used in the card issuing center. We call it distribution issuing. Okay, but for the embedded type, it's usually we call it centralized issuing. Yeah, because the hologram is inside the card. Yeah, it's during the card manufacturing process. Yeah. Okay, and it's suitable for both PVC, PETG, and also polycarbonate cards. Okay. So when we talk about PVC and polycarbonate, biggest difference is the portrait color. So this is a PVC color.
Yes, this is a PVC color.
So the personalization is by direct printing or transfer printing. Yeah. But for polycarbonates,
We also have the PC color.
yeah, the PC color. Yeah, we can see the personalization is made by the laser engraving or laser printing process. Yeah. And this one, okay, also with embedded hologram, yeah, in the color. And also on the back side, we can add the hologram logo here. Yes, and here. Yeah. Okay. So we have introduced the 4 types of lamination for ID card. So nowadays, all the types are used by customers according to their application, their budgets. Yeah. So when we talk about budgets, yeah, which one is the most economic and which one is most expensive? What types?
For types, the sticker.
Yes.
The sticker is
You mean the cold-laminate type?
cold-laminate.
Yeah, like this. Cold-laminate type is the most economic. Okay.
But although this one is most can save your budget, but it's not as safe as the other
Yeah.
products.
Yeah, about the security level and durability. Right. So nowadays more and more we use the printing and lamination type. So can this kind of machine be working like maybe 10 or 12 hours a day?
Yes.
Is that okay for the machine?
Yes, of course, and work all day long.
Okay. And will there be any damage or destroy of the print part like the printing head? Yeah.
Sometimes it will have an error like the patch is get outside or some other problems. But it is just a small error. You can change it very quickly.
Okay. How about the guarantee of this machine?
And the guarantee of the machine is about 1 year.
1 year,
Yes.
right? 1 year. And for example, I buy 10 cents of machine. How many years can I use them? 5 years or 10 years?
If you buy this 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years. That's okay, I think, and maybe more time.
Yeah, maybe more time.
Yeah. So actually, it depends how many cards you printed,
Yes.
and if the printing head is damaged,
Yes.
yeah, we will supply the original printing head and refresh it,
Yes.
and then you can continue to
Use.
work. Yes.
You don't need to buy the whole again. You just need to refresh the broken one.
Mhm.
Yes.
How about the lead time of your lamination film and the machine,
The lead time.
and also minimum order quantity?
The lead time is about 30 days.
30 days.
Yeah.
30 days for what? For the film or for the machine?
30 days for the film and for the machine.
In total, 30 days.
Yes.
Okay.
In total 30 days.
I think 30 days. Okay. Actually, it depends on the order quantity.
Yes.
Yeah. How about the minimum order for the hologram film? Like, for example, this patch film.
This patch film.
What is the minimum order quantity?
About 50,000.
50,000.
Yes.
50,000 piece or 50,000 rolls?
50,000 piece.
Okay. Okay. So that's 100 rolls.
Yes, 100.
100 rolls. That can make 50,000 cards.
50,000 cars.
Okay. So and lead time is 30 days.
Yes.
Machine is also 30 days.
Yes.
Okay, so now Valor, it's your turn. You can ask me questions. Yeah, about the film or the machine, our lead time, capacity, price. Yes.
I think some problems.
Yeah, any question is okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, maybe we can talk about the design.
Yes. Then top of we can see is the hologram patterns. Yes, it is. Yeah. If we want to have a customized one, how can we get it?
Yes, for ID cards, most of them customer will use customized design.
Yes.
So you just need to send me a logo. We will make the design for you. Send me a logo in vector format like AI or Kojo file. Yeah, we will make the security program features on it. Yeah, in our features we will include the 3 levels security features, include the overt, covert, and forensic security features. Yes, and till now, image tech have in total 50 different security features. We will choose the features according to the customer's logo and also the security level requirements of the project. Yes.
If you design the hologram patterns, how can I see the effect? I need to wait till the product is produced.
Yeah, good question. So after we make the design, we will send customer the soft copy.
I can
Yeah,
copy.
presentation. Yeah, PPT file for customers' approval before we proceed.
And if you design a hologram and there's some part I'm not too satisfied with, can it also be changed?
Yes, we can amend the design. Yes, we can do some adjustments.
Yes. That would be very good.
Yes, and also for some projects, there will be a design charge. Yeah, for the design work. And anyway, after the customer place order, we can refund the design charge. Any other questions? Yeah, we can see this sample. Yeah, it's a very nice design here. Yeah, this is our generic design for Java license. Yeah. You can see some 3D dynamic. Yeah. Also the Giluch. Yeah, Giluch is a very nice feature for ID documents. We can see the Giluch, the color change, and the dynamic effect.
Yes. And if I buy the patch, you say, and I buy the machine, but I don't know, for example, the temperature. Yeah. What's the temperature we need to apply such a
Okay, you mean printing or lamination?
Yes, I mean maybe lamination.
Lamination, right?
Yes.
Yes. For the machine, the lamination temperature is from 100, maybe 20 to 200 or even higher. Yeah. So the temperature depends on the ID card and also the temperature of the working environment. 180, 160 to 180 degrees. Yes. Anyway, customer need to test before lamination. Yes. After lamination, we can see the card if it is cold very seriously, and also the appearance strength of the film. Yeah, that's important. Usually for this job we set it as 165 degrees. Yeah, for lamination.
Okay. So if I have some card, need the cash to do the lamination, but at the beginning you need to test whether film can apply on the car perfectly. So, is there a effective way for us to do the testing?
Yes, we have a solution. So before customer buy the machine,
Yes.
we can do the initial test in our factory.
Yeah, the test in your factory.
Yes, yeah, we provided actually we provide a complete solution, include the pre-printed cards, the machine, and the consumables, including the patch and the printing ribbons. So we can do the test for customer before they buy the machine.
Yes.
Yes. And we will provide complete and full training. Yeah, we provide technical support for customer to use the machines. Yeah.
That's all what I want to know.
Okay. 有能看到数据吗？
能看到在线。
啊，OK。Okay, now we are showing different effects and types of laminates. Yeah, this one is embedded laminates. Usually it's different from patch or seamless. The hologram is only partial area on the card, and it will have to cover the portrait area, because as we know, for the how to say, fake ID documents, the portrait tamper is the mostly happened. So the hologram will cover the portrait. So if they want to tamper the portrait, they must destroy the hologram. So once they destroy, the card will be damaged, and then it will be a proof of the fake or duplicated cards. Yes, partial area on the card. And this is the patch laminate. Yeah, we can see the globe shape in a true color effect, and the airplane in a 3D relief effect, and also some gouge and lens patterns. So different product forms, yeah, based on customers' application, yeah, and budget, yeah. 还没上出来。
最后咱们就上个结论。
好。Okay, Valor. Yeah, so today we have introduced our patch. Yeah, patch and seamless overlay. Yeah, we have a complete process from printing and lamination. Yes. Lead time is only 30 days, and minimum order is 100 rolls, right? It means 50,000 cards and lamination. Okay. Okay, so if you have any interest or any questions, just contact us, email us.
You can also see the website.
Okay, so I'm Jack.
This is Mel.
So thank you so much. We see you next time.
See you next time.